Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about pi, which is one of the most essential and important thing in the calculation of mathematics and physics. Okay, so let us consider a circle. It is the center point of the circle. We will basically represent it with the alphabet C. Okay, and a circle can be defined as a round plane figure. Okay, whose boundary consists of points which are equal distance from each other. Okay, and this boundary is basically called as a circumference or perimeter. Okay, the line which joins center and circumference will called as a radius. Okay, it is the line which joins the center to the edges or circumference. Okay, and if you extend the radius up to another edge, we will call it as a diameter. Okay, it is the double of radius of a circle. Okay, so diameter is basically represented with d or small d equals 2r. Okay, so from here to here is d and from here to here is r. All right. Okay, next important thing we have to understand here. Okay, if you divide circumference of any circle by its own diameter, okay, that is circumference is basically calculated with the formula 2 pi r and the diameter can be calculated with 2r. Okay, here 2 will get cancelled, r will get cancelled, so we left out with pi. Okay, pi is a Greek word, Greek alphabet. Okay, so how can we define pi? It is the ratio of circumference to the diameter of the same circle. Okay, so here we have to remember circumference is nothing but the perimeter or the boundary, and diameter is nothing but double of the radius. If you divide both of them, we will get pi. It is a Greek alphabet. So I can say that if circumference of the circle is 22 then its diameter is 7. Okay, in general I'm taking. Then if you simplify them, okay, 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21, so 1 is left out. I'll make it 10 by adding one dot here, decimal point. Okay, 7 ones are 7, so again 3 is left out. Anyhow, I have added dot here, let me put 0 here. 7 fours are 28. So this is the value we will get whenever you are dividing the circumference of any circle with its diameter. So basically we can represent as pi. In general, it is a Greek word, and it was calculated accurately in the earlier days was Archimedes. Okay, the mathematician who calculate exactly the pi value. Okay, and also from India, okay, Aryabhatta, who gave his contribution for the calculation of pi. Okay, all right. And one more thing we have to remember. Okay, let me give one more example. If the diameter of the circumference of the circle is 12.56 and its diameter is, let me say that 4. Then if you calculate, you will get the value of 3.14. Okay, this in general I am taking. If you take any circle whose circumference must be divided by its own diameter, then you will be getting this value. So it is a constant value. Okay, and one more important thing we have to remember here. The International Pi Day is celebrated on March 14th. Okay, which are taken from here. The 3 represents March month and the 14th is the day. Okay, so basically to remember and to to respect this the overall process, they started celebrating on March 14th. Okay, this is all about the alphabet phi. Okay, if you really like this video, kindly subscribe and support for my future videos. Thank you very much.